22 men fixed their saggy neck. Here's how.
They found out that saggy necks happen because of collagen loss. Can worsen if left untreated. Can't be fixed with exercise. Can't be fixed with diet.
But Particle Neck Cream for Men does the job. It gives you a firmer and smoother neck in 30 days or your money back.
It tightens that loose skin, fades out those wrinkles, and firms the skin's appearance.
In just a few weeks, I have a less jiggly neck and my wrinkles are gone.
Particle Neck Cream works on all skin types.
With powerful ingredients that lift and tighten the flabbiest skin, including hyaluronic acid, retinol, and collagen.
It feels and it smells great, and it absorbs so fast.
At 60, my neck looks tighter and slimmer. My wife noticed. I feel great.
Check out our hundreds of reviews from real men that got the results they wanted with Particle Neck Cream for Men.